Hello, I'm Dr. Charles Rogers.
I'm Dr. Tiana.
And we bring you greetings from Salt Lake City, Utah. Our marriage was on the way to hell in a basket soaked in gasoline, kerosene, any type of gas to make something burn up faster. And so we felt that it was key to do something about it right now. So we did our research because we're both being doctors. I did even some more research. I did some cost benefit analysis because I am very financially responsible. And, we connected with, the Couples Academy.
To provide a little bit more context. So before we ended up working with Couples Academy for this weekend intensive, we were separated, living in separate homes, and we've been working with a few other coaches and counselors trying to just resolve the issues that we were struggling to find common ground around. And so we just were ready for the next step, but we weren't sure. We had the what, but we weren't sure of the how. And so it was extremely, I don't want to say risky, but that's how it felt, to reach out and say, we need some help and we need to humble ourselves as the experts and allow someone who has been through this and who has walked other couples through it to guide us in this process. I feel like at the end of the 3 days, which definitely felt like 3 weeks, we are able to walk away not only with skills, but with tools and resources and actionable next steps. It's a relief to have a resource like Couples Academy to be able to help you consider other alternatives, right? Because we come from honestly a history of broken marriages and divorces. And when things were happening or getting complicated, people chose to walk away. And I feel like even today, with cancel culture, it's like, if this gets difficult or this gets hard, I'm checking out, all right? And so I feel like Couples Academy allows you to say, okay, I know that I don't want a divorce, but I also know that I don't want to continue in this the way that it was going. And so they really help to kind of provide that third option of like, there's another way.
But I would add that if you don't have our story, and your story's a little different in terms of like you thinking, you want a divorce.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend at least this being your last step. This should at least be your last step before you make this final decision. I'll conclude by saying that good is the enemy of great. And if you want to really, truly take your marriage from good to great, then holler at my people. couplesacademy.org.com. They can clarify. I'm pretty sure it's down here. Thank you. Peace.
Yes.